For section 6.3, we will use data set 1 from Appendix B. We want to compare younger and older individuals and their math skill. First, we have to create a new variable representing their age group. We're going to recode into different variables their age, creating a variable called age group, where lowest through 25 is group 1, and 26 through highest is group 2. This will create a new variable called age group with 1s and 2s. To do our independent t-test, we go to Analyze, Compare Means, Independent Samples t-test. In the dialog box, we want to test whether skill varies by age group, and those groups are defined as 1s and 2s. The output looks like this. We're going to assume equal variances. This gives us a t of negative 0.095, which is not significant at 1 or 2-tailed. The effect size is down in this bottom section, negative 0.04, which would be a small effect size.